Hello, I am Manisha Sahoo. My roll number is 21MT10029 and I'm from section 16. For my DIY assignment, I created a flower vase using FreeCad software. To create this vase, firstly I added 4 datum planes as can be seen here. Then I sketched dodecagons on each of these datum planes and for the base I sketched a circle. Then I used the loft feature to create the vase. But the vase had no thickness. So I used the create an edge linked to an external geometry option followed by sketching a rectangle from the bottom to the top of the vase. Then I revolved the rectangle to form a cylinder. Then I sliced the lofted part and the cylinder and deleted the external part. Then to provide thickness, I used the B-spline feature to sketch a closed frame and then I revolved it to give thickness to my model. And I rendered the base to give it thickness. After that, I filleted the edges as can be seen here and also here I filleted the edges. Then to make this design, I used various Boolean operations like I added arrays of spheres of different sizes, then I cut them out of the main body. Then I added a torus shaped solids to make this stripe pattern. Then to color my model, I selected the part to be colored, went to view menu, then we have to select appearance option and from here we can select the desired color. Then I fuse the different parts of my model by selecting the parts and using the union of several shapes option. Then finally I meshed my model and exported the STL file to Ultimaker Cura. Here I scaled my model to 60% to reduce the print timing, did the rest of the settings as can be seen here. Then I sliced the model to obtain the print timing as 5 hours 36 minutes. Then I saved the folder using the extension .gcode. And here we can see our folder is saved. Thank you.